This is Stage Left Planet, and I'm your host, Warita Wimbush. And today's episode is Michael Jackson's Blood on the Dance Floor and New York City's Wildfire Haze. Yes, today God brought to my mind Michael Jackson's song Money, Fire Island Mix. Yep, Money, Fire Island Mix. It is from Michael Jackson's Blood on the Dance Floor album. Yes, it is. I played the song on YouTube and I chose a video that displayed the album cover. I didn't pay close attention to the album art until today. And I say that because I used to have that album. Now, Michael is on a black and white Freemason style checkerboard floor with an orange New York City or New York City esque or New York City like skyline behind him. And there's also one reflecting beneath it that is reminiscent of the saying, as above, so below. Coincidence or predictive programming? This is Stage Left Planet. This has been Stage Left Planet. And I'm your host, Warita Wimbush. Focus on God.